Welcome to another FARMserver training video. What would you like to do today? I'd like to create management zones. Once you're in the management zones section, you'll see all the management zones that you've already created, or it'll be blank. On the left hand side, you'll see a create zones button. The next screen you come to will have all your active fields for the current year. So these are all my 2018 active fields. I'm going to select a field. You can select as many fields as you'd like to do at one time. For this demonstration, we're just going to use one. I'm going to pick this House South field and hit continue. Now we need to answer a few questions. How would you like to create your zones? I want to create them using soil types. How many zones do I want to create? 3, 5, or 7 these are just starting points. So for today we're going to pick 3. Then we need to give it a display name. As a default, it's the current year, how you want to create the zones, and how many zones you wanted to create. I'm going to rename this to 2018 planting. But it can be nitrogen, fungicide, fertilizer, or whatever you want to name it there. And now I'm going to hit continue. The next screen that shows up will show a map of the field with the soil types. You can see all the soil types have a designation of low, medium, or high productivity. Below there is a table. So this is the soil type symbol, the soil type description, the NCCPI of the soil type, and how many acres for each soil type. We can go in here and select a soil type, and it shows up. You see this green highlight with the highlighted H, and if I wanted to change that to a medium or to a low, I can do that. This is the first step that you come to editing. Any of these soil types you click, they'll highlight. You can see this and highlight again right here. Once you're happy with how the labeling looks, you hit the continue in the top right. Next, we're at the full editing mode. So these are all the options we have for editing zones in FARMserver. So if we want to split a zone, you just click, and how many ever zones this line goes through, those are the zones that it'll split. Double click when you're done, and it split these zones. I can hit continue. Now if I want to merge, I can merge these guys back together. Let me go ahead and merge the other two. If I want to edit a label, I can do that. Change that to medium productivity. Hit continue. There's also a irrigation pivot tool. There's another video that covers irrigation pivots tool. You can check that out. Once I'm happy with the way the field looks, I hit the Save New Zones button, and it brings me back out to this section. You can now see the field that we just created zones on at the top. If you have more questions, email us at support@farmserver.com, or if there's other videos you want to see, check them out in the videos section of farmserver.com. Thank you.